Good morning. So this is week 3 of our, it's actually the final week, full week of our challenge group, but this is week 3 of following your meal plans and doing your workouts. You only have 7 days left if you're doing the 21-day fix of your first round. How exciting is that? But I wanted to just encourage you today to not give up. I know that change is hard, and you guys have had so many struggles, just like everyone else, but I am so impressed with how you have handled them, how you have encouraged one another, how you have just lifted each other up. I have never had a group that did it that way, just with so much devotion, and just it really comes from your heart. And I can tell you that that goes a long way in helping somebody else in this group. But today, some of you may be looking at your meal plan or your workout calendar and saying, do I have to do this again? Really? Some of you are seeing results. Some of you, your clothes feel different. You might have more energy. It might have been easier to get up and do that workout this morning. Or, some of you, the scale reflects your changes. Maybe that you've lost weight already. But it's becoming easier to figure out what you're going to eat each day, hopefully. And some of you may be stuck. Some of you may be discouraged. Maybe you've fallen off the wagon really badly this weekend, or you just haven't been able to get your workouts in like you wanted to, and you may be feeling extremely, extremely discouraged. But this week, I want you guys to really think about your why. Go back and look at your why that you shared with this group or that you shared with me. How can you wake up today and tomorrow and the rest of this week with passion and intensity? Why did you start this? Your goal on day one, is that still your goal? Does it still motivate you to get up, to follow your meal plan, to work out today, to really make this a lifestyle change, to check in with our group tonight? If your why was strong enough, then it's probably still strong enough today. So I want you to go back and look at that. Post it here in the group if you want to, again, just for accountability, just for motivation. Once you've lost a few pounds, once you've made some changes and you see results, it's really easy to get comfortable. Take it from somebody who's been doing this for a year and a half. It's very easy to get comfortable. Even in the beginning, you schedule a cheat meal, it turns into a couple of cheat meals, and then you just feel totally off track. It adds up, and it really delays helping you achieve your goals. Okay, so this week, I want you guys to remember that scripture verse that I shared with you, Deuteronomy 2, verse 3. I still have to go back to this. It says, you have circled this mountain long enough, now turn north. You started this for a reason. You started this because you were tired of starting and stopping. You started this because you needed to make a change. Maybe your health depended on it. Maybe your life depends on it. So stop circling that mountain. Get on the wagon. Stay on it. Check in with us, and we are here to encourage you and support you. So stay focused this week. Print off your tracking sheets for your workouts. Follow along and mark them off the calendar. Mark off your meals on your meal plan as you go through it. Make sure your workout space is ready each night before you go to bed. Set out your workout clothes so they're ready to go. Sleep in them. I sleep in mine a lot of times when I'm really tired and I know I'm not going to want to get up. Don't let anything get in your way this week. And as for your meal plan, stick to the same meals if you need to. If you didn't have time to create a meal plan this weekend, use the same one from last week. Choose 5 to 6 meals that you can make, that are easy, that you like, and that you can alternate those. It'll keep you from wondering about what's for dinner, what's for snack, and make you indecisive. Don't skip breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. I hate to hear people say, I don't eat breakfast. That is a big contributing factor to sticking with your meal plans, to staying on track, to staying full, and to jump starting your metabolism. So don't skip breakfast this week. Drink your water. You need to be aiming for half of your body weight in ounces. This jumpstarts your metabolism. It helps you lose weight. And it's a key indicator as to whether or not you're really hungry or if you just need hydration. Okay, so drink that water. Eat small and often. Obviously, we've talked about that. Eat every 2 to 3 hours. Watch your portions. Use those portion control containers if you have them. And get temptations out of the house this week. A lot of you have said that you've done well throughout the day, but when it comes to dinner time or right before bedtime, you give in and you eat something that you shouldn't. Throw that stuff away. Get it out of your house, so it's not a temptation. But I'm so proud of each of you. I'm so proud that you're still here. I know that personally the road gets tough. Life gets in the way. You get discouraged. You feel a little helpless, but don't give up, okay? Think about those measurements and pictures that we're going to take next week. Use that to motivate you to really push hard this week. Up your weights if you haven't already. If you're feeling stronger and you can up your weights, do it. Increase your intensity, do more reps, give it all you've got. If you're doing the 21-day fix on week 3, it gives you the option to double up on your workouts. And there's even a guide for showing you which ones to do. Do that. Push yourself. If you don't have time in the morning, do one in the morning and one at night. But set a goal this week and share it with us. Set a goal and share it with us. And let's help each other reach those. And before you go to bed each night, ask yourself, did I really give it all I've got today? Did I stick with my meal plan? Did I work as hard as I could in my workouts? And if you didn't, don't beat yourself up, but wake up and try harder the next day, okay? Nobody can bring you results but you, and you have to make it happen, okay? So you're making little changes, you're improving your life, even if it doesn't feel like it, even if you don't see the results right away. You guys have made changes that are going to change you. You're just at the beginning of this journey. This is the beginning of your 3rd week, and total body transformations take 4, 6, 8 weeks, sometimes longer. So stick with it. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture. We're here to help you if you need extra support. Have a great week and just do it, guys. And I am here rooting for you and praying for you. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.